We want to create some progress bars in Excel to show our completion percentages for each individual task. So let's go ahead and highlight our data where we want to add our progress bars, and then hit conditional formatting and go down to your data bars. You can either do gradient fill or solid fill, but let's just go with the solid fill. Now we do have a bit of an issue here. Notice how when I type in 50% instead of 100%, it's going here, but say for example we change this to 50%, it's filling up the entire bar, which we don't want. We want it to show half of the bar. So way to fix this, go ahead and go to conditional formatting again and go to manage rules. And we're going to click our rule for our data bar and scroll down to our minimum and maximum. If we go to the minimum, go ahead and hit number. We want our lowest number to be 0 and we want our maximum number to be a 1. Now if we go ahead and click OK and hit apply, notice how it's showing the appropriate completion percentages instead of showing like it did before. Another thing we can do is, say for example you don't want these completion percentages to show, go back into your conditional formatting, manage rules, and go to your data bar rule again, and you can select this show bar only and it won't show those percentages anymore. So when we apply it, those percentages go away.